Hello everyone, this is Masum from MS Web Designer. Today I am here to share our story, how a couple built an international services business on Shopify. So the story started 3 years back in 2015 when me and my husband Sudipta just started the Shopify business, and it was by mistake when Sudipta just signed up the Shopify partnership program instead of trying the 14 days trial. And this mistakes occurs when one of our overseas client was seeking help for the Shopify store setup, and he was just asking us for helping. But Sudipta, what he did, he just instead of trying the 14 days trial, he signed up the Shopify partner program. And this one mistake changed our life a lot. Sudipta was so inspired by our partner manager, Vargav Bakshi, that he joined the Shopify partner program and also assisted me to join it, and we did. We are both from the IT backgrounds, but at first stage we felt a lot of difficulties while doing Shopify work, as we have no knowledge on liquid codes and all that. So we started gathering knowledge from YouTube's eCommerce universities and other YouTube channels and all. And slowly, after hard efforts and all that, we became the Shopify expert. Now, becoming a Shopify expert was really a totally 360-degree life-changing moment for us. And we started getting lots of leads, like from 15 to 12 to 15 experts, lots of leads from the expert pages. And at that time, we were doing 12 to 15 projects. And it was really very tough for us to do, as we were both the couples were doing it, and it was a huge pressure on us. So what we did, we started working day and night, doing 18 hours of work. We were doing day shifts and night shifts, and it was really a hard time for us to do. Now, later on, we realized, why not we build a team, and why not we make MS Web Designer as an agency. So after gathering much of money, we registered MS Web Designer as an agency, and we started recruiting the people. Now we have started as a 2, but now we are the team of 10 members with our developers, designers, content marketers, and others. So this was one of our professional changes that takes place in 2016. And personally also, our life got changed. Me and my boyfriend Sudipta got married last year, 2017, and we are just together because of Shopify only. And really, Shopify is a blessing for us for this. And now this is the story how we started 2, and now we are 10. So next we move on, like how we are getting our international clients from our international market. Yeah, this is really a great that we work 90% of from our international market. And we are almost work with the 500 projects. So we get from 30% are from the referral clients. They are all the happy clients. They refer their friends and all to us. Secondly, we get from our website, content marketing, from expert pages, and also from the participations in forums and other groups. One thing we always believe is that customer satisfactions and referral business is the strength of our international services. That's why we always try to deliver A++ services to all our clients, and also try to meet their expectations, their needs, and everything. Today we are having more than 100+ testimonials with 5-star reviews in our expert page, and today is this what we have achieved right now. And now how we are engaging our long-term relationship with the customers. We always did by sending them the emails, the updated emails about the Shopify. We always try to give them a personal message on the personal events like Thanksgiving days, like birthdays, anniversaries, and so on. And I personally or Sudipta always try to touch up with the clients to have a cordial relationship and long-term relationship, which is very much required for the long-term business as well as the referral business. Next, I want to move that how we are focusing the international market. We always try to focus on the international market, and we did that by dividing the countries into different kind of, we divide the international market into different countries, and we try to focus on each country. Let's suppose take on Singapore. We always set a goal for the Singapore. We try to do the market research on Singapore. We dedicate the team for that to do the market research, market analysis, desk research and all that. We always try to find out which of the e-commerce platform is best in that country. And we always try to move all the merchants from that e-commerce platform to Shopify by telling them the advantages of Shopify. We do same for the marketplaces also. Example, Lazada is one of the best marketplaces that goes in Singapore. We try to move on all the merchants from there to Shopify, and also to encourage all the merchants, we try to give them a free consultancy of 20 to 30 minutes. That's what we do for focusing the international market. And doing this way, we were the winners of the Singapore competition, which was a healthy competition, was done between the partners for referring the highest number of Singaporean merchants to Singapore. And we did the most and we won the Singapore competition for that. Thanks a lot. And lastly, I want to thank entire Shopify International team for sponsoring us the 2 international tours. One was the Canada Unite 2018 and one was the Pursuit Melbourne that held last weeks. And it's really a great agency for us that Shopify has done for this to us. And really I'm thankful to Shopify International team for this. And nothing to say of this. This is a special thanks to Mr. Varga Bakshi and Mr. Namra Dega, who being so supportive throughout the journey in Shopify. And really I want to thank the whole Shopify international team and also the national India team who has done a lot for us. Really a great thanks a lot.